Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to not get banned on Roblox Voice Chat. All right, let's begin. To avoid moderation strikes while using voice chat, you can use a VPN to mask your connection. First, open your preferred web browser and ensure you are logged into your Roblox account. Search for a reliable VPN extension or software in the web store and add it to your browser. Once installed, open the VPN settings and select an IP address from Romania. Using a foreign server helps bypass certain regional filters. After connecting to the Romania server, log out of your Roblox account entirely. Next, log back into your account. You may be prompted to complete a security verification, which can vary based on your location. Keep in mind that running a VPN might slightly slow down your internet speed during gameplay. Once you are successfully logged back in, you can join any game and use voice chat with reduced risk of automated bans. This simple trick allows you to communicate more freely. Just remember to keep the VPN active while you play to maintain the secure connection. So that's basically how you can not get banned on Roblox Voice Chat. That's it for this video. Thanks.